Hello, Hudson. Oh, hi, 611. So I got your message. Well, what do you want me here for? I got something to do this afternoon. Well, I needed you here because I got something to show you. Like? Hudson, meet not one, but two of your long-lost brothers. Hey, how's it going? What's up, Hudson? I can't believe this is actually real. You're right, man, this is real. Now how about you go spend time with your brothers, eh? I ain't got time for that, 611. What? But you just met these two, and they were dying to meet you. I know that, retard. I'm saying that 'cause I'm giving surgery this afternoon. Yeah, You're doing what? Yeah, I'm giving surgery to someone today. To who? Oh god, I'm so scared. Chessie, please calm yourself. Dr. Hudson will be with you shortly. Aren't you supposed to be on Sodor? Aren't you supposed to be an L1 Hudson? I am an L1 Hudson. You don't look like one of me. So you're doing surgery on someone who has the same exact wheel arrangement as you? Yep, he's a Chesapeake, Ohio L1 Hudson. Apparently, he's a close resemblance to my brother Empire. Apparently, the manufacturer that we're all from made him into that. You do realize you and him are from the same manufacturer, right? Don't you backsass me, boy. Hudson, calm down, bro. Nah, you calm down. I'm gonna go ahead and perform the surgery. Good day, homie. How do you hang out with him? I don't know, man. He's my best friend, you know. Does Hudson know what he's doing? How should I know? I don't keep track. Why are you in such a bad mood? 'Cause a damn toy company decided to make me a laughingstock, unlike how the manufacturer you're from didn't make you accurate. Now sit down and shut up. Okay. Okay, now what do we have here? I didn't sign up for this. Oh, sure you did. You said you needed a boiler replacement? You're getting one. That's not what I had in mind! Hey, it's just a paper you signed, buddy. Ugh. I need a tarp with a zipper. Stat. A what? Okay, now time for the surgery. Everyone ready? Oh my god! Oh my god! Stop screaming! I'm steaming! No! Stop steaming! Bonk. Oh my god, he passed out! No! He passed out! I'm gonna get sued! Oh my god! Well, this was a relatively short ending. I'm not even supposed to be here.